My first kiss went a little like this.
To if I had to use my brain for something else, tell me what would I do? And if I had a strange conversation with a lady in a waiting room about leaving all this doom and gloom, if you could be anywhere, where would you be? If you could be anywhere, would you be there with me? If I could be anywhere, I'd be there. If I could be anywhere, I'll be there with you, girl. Take my chances, fake my glances, wake those answers anywhere, but take my chances. I'll fake my glances, wake my